Hi guys, I thought I would do just a quick tutorial on how to set up a Bitmoji and how to send one to me for this week. So if you don't have Bitmoji yet, it's only available either on your iPhone or your cellular device or on your iPad if you have one of those. So you'll go to your App Store or you'll go to Google Play if you have a Google device. Then you'll click, mine says open because I already have it, but if it's one you don't have, if I scroll down, it'll say get. So if you don't have it yet, you'll have to click on get. You'll have to open it up. You will put it, install it, and do all of that. And then once you have it, it shows up on in your menu there. And so there's mine. So down here at the bottom, then where it says avatar, that's where you can design your Bitmoji, starting from your hairstyle all the way to the shape of your eyes and so forth. It goes through all those steps for you. If I don't want to do it, so I'm gonna go back. I'll just click save. Okay, and then so that's how you do Bitmoji. And then if you want to put them into your keyboard, we can do that another day. But then you can just click on one, like let's do this one, and then I want to send it through mail, so I'm going to click my Gmail. I'll just send it to my other account. Sorry, I can't do this very well. There I am. And then it's already in there. So that it's as simple as that. You can also copy and paste it, and you just hit send, and it'll go ahead and send that to me. So that's how you do it on your phone. You can also, if you're in, so the downside to using your school Google account is that they don't allow us to have Bitmojis. So, because there's a Chrome extension that you can actually use, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. But if you're on your phone in your mail, you can just, so for instance, I'm just gonna click on the mail that we already have going. So Kara sent me hers, which is great. I can reply, and when I reply, my keyboard comes up, and I can hit my little global emoji down here, and then I can click the one I want, and it'll go right into that email. So that's one way you can do it from your phone. The other way, you could do it from, let's see if I can get to my, okay, so if you have Google, a separate Google account other than what you have for school, like this is my personal one, then you can get the Chrome extension for Google. So you just put in Bitmoji Chrome extension, and when it'll take you to this page, the school for your school account, it will not allow it. So I already have it installed, but this would say install for Chrome. So once it's installed, it's right up here. It's this teeny tiny little emoji. And so when I click on that, all of my Bitmojis are up here. So I use Bitmojis a lot when I grade papers for kids. So I like, if I want to click on this one, I have a Mac, but you can right click if you have a regular, like a PC. But I'm just going to hit copy. So I would hit Command C, copy. Then I can go to anywhere in my Google. I don't have my drive open, but I can go back to my school drive, and I have just in my drive, like I have just digital stickers. So I can take that and I can put it in my email. I can put it anywhere because I've copied it to my clipboard. I can get transferred to another Google account. So I made all these Google stickers in my personal account, and then I just shared it with myself. And so then I'm just going to hit paste, and it will show up. Whoops, it didn't do it right, but my bad. So, but you copy and paste, and you can put it into any document. You can put it in an email too. So that's the way you can use it from either your computer, from if you have a Google Chrome extension, or if you want to use it from your phone. If you have any more questions, please email me and I will help you out. Thanks for participating.